We are here today for another interesting topic in chemistry. And today we are here to look at what we call electronic configuration in KLMN format. KLMN format. So let's start with hydrogen. If you look at hydrogen with atomic number 1, so hydrogen with the electronic configuration is just 1, and it will be occupying only the K shell. K shell 1. So when we get to helium with atomic number of 2, the electronic configuration automatically goes to 2. So that is the K shell. With lithium, we begin to move to L shell because the atomic number is 3. So we begin to move to L shell. So, and one thing I want you to know about the electronic configuration is that when you add up all the configuration, everything will be equal to the atomic number. When it is not equal to the atomic number, then something is wrong somewhere. So lithium with the atomic number 3 has electronic configuration of 2 and 1, which is K. The K is 2, the L is 1. And we should know that the maximum number of electrons, why do you have that? The maximum number of electrons that K shell can occupy is 2. So by the time you exhaust the 2 in a particular element, then the next electron moves to the next shell, which is L shell. That is why we are having 2, 1. Then the maximum number of electrons that L can occupy is 8. Until we exhaust that 8, we are not going to the next shell. So that is why coming to beryllium with atomic number of 4, the electronic configuration will be 2, 2. When you add 2 to 2, you get 4. Boron, atomic number is 5. You still be having K and S shell in boron because the electronic configuration will be 2, 3. When you add 2 to 3, you have 5. Carbon, which is the 6th element of the periodic table, the atomic number is 6, so you have the configuration to be 2 and 4. So that will still be equal K and L shell. Nitrogen, atomic number is 7, so electronic configuration will be 2 and 5. So that will also be having K and L shell. For oxygen, atomic number is 8, the electronic configuration will be 2, 6. Like I said before, until we exhaust the 8th maximum number of electrons in L shell, we cannot go to the next one, which is the M shell. So coming to fluorine, also atomic number is 9, so the electronic configuration will be 2, 7. So don't forget, when you have 2 to 7, you get 9. So neon, which is having atomic number of 10, so the electronic configuration will be what? 2 and 8. That is the maximum number that you can have for L, because in L you cannot go to 9. The maximum number of electrons that L shell can occupy is 8. Then after that we go to the next shell, which is M shell. So that's why by the time we get to sodium, that's atomic number of 11, the electronic configuration becomes 2, 8, 1. That is the first element that will occupy N shell. N shell, they can ask in any question, take note of that. The first element to occupy the N shell is sodium. Are you getting it now? So in the same way, when you add 2, 8 and 1 together, you get 11, which is the atomic number of sodium. Getting to the 12th one, which is magnesium. Magnesium is having an atomic number of 12 in the periodic table. So the configuration will be 2, 8, 2. And in the same way, the maximum number of electrons that M can occupy is also 8. And until you exhaust that maximum number of electrons, you cannot go to the last shell, which is what? N shell. So that will go to silicon, to aluminum atomic number 13, 283, silicon atomic number of 14, 284, phosphorus atomic number of 15, 285, sulfur atomic number of 16, 286, chlorine atomic number of 17, 287, argon atomic number of 18, 288. Like I said before, we have also exhausted the maximum number of electrons that particular shell can occupy, which is 8. So then, by the time we go to the next element, then we start the next shell, which is N shell. So it can also be asked, the first element to occupy the N shell is potassium. It can come as a test in any examination or any other assessment test. So take note of that. So 2881, when you add 2 to 8 to 8 to 1, you get 19. So 2881. So, and can also be asked in another example. The two element that occupy the four shells. The four shells are both potassium and calcium. Potassium and calcium, because potassium is 2A2. 2A2. Potassium is 2H1 and calcium is 2A2. And the way, like I said, if you add all the configuration, if it's not equal to the atomic number, then it is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere. Thank you very much.